Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 9. Find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Here find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Suppose this is square, square ABCD, right? Find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. We know that here the solution is we know that we know that perimeter of a square perimeter perimeter of a square of a square is equal to 4 into length length of of one side of a square, one side of a square, side of a square, right? Therefore we can write therefore 4 into length of 4 into length of one side of a square, side of a square is equal to perimeter of the square is equal to perimeter of the square, right? Therefore we can say that 4, if we take length of a square as L, that is 4L, 4L is equal to what is the perimeter? Perimeter of the square is 20 meter, is 20 meter. Therefore we can say that L, length of the square, is equal to 20 meter divided by 4, that is equal to 4 5 ja 20, 5 meter, 5 meter, right? Therefore length of one side of the square is 5 meter, right? Therefore side of the square, therefore side of the square is side of the square side of the square is equal to 5 meter. 5 meter. Right? Here, once I'm repeating once again, that is perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side of a square. Therefore, 4 into length of one side of a square is equal to perimeter of the square. Therefore, we can write, suppose the length of one square is L. Therefore, 4L is equal to 20 meter. 20 is the perimeter. Therefore, L is equal to 20 by 4, that is 5 meter. Therefore, we can say that side of the square is equal to 5 meter. This is the solution of question number 9.